Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? I am your planetary defense commander, Star-Lord New Thor 7, and I just turned off the fan to improve audio. Sweet. Alright. Storm Barry, call it what you will, is now moving out of Louisiana, but still while doing some very wet damage with some heavy rain bands, tracking over it into Arkansas, Alabama, Mississippi, and it'll be tracking, and as you can see, we're just only here in this tropical depression. And if you are feeling depressed, get outside, walk with the clouds, definitely check out a sunset. Alright, now we're going to check out the latest GFS and a sneaky mofo, which I'm calling Hurricane Irma Part 2. Just as Hurricane Tropical Storm Barry was Harvey Part 2 in my mind, what we are seeing now that is rolling up into Florida on the models and then up the East Coast. Did you see that? And then it rolls back in retrograde. I'm calling that thing Hurricane Irma Part 2. Am I promising you it is going to be a Category 1 through 5 hurricane? No, but you better prepare for it to be something just like that. Because, much like in 2017 when Hurricane Harvey hit Houston, that happened a few days after a full solar eclipse. But here we are in 2019, and patterns repeat sometimes. And so, we have seen Tropical Storm / Hurricane Barry hit Louisiana near Emma. Emma. Is now continuing up. Do I need to refresh your memory? And now it's continuing up and will go out the East Coast. Please check crankywxguyblog for potential details, and always have a good group of gangs in the weather community that you check and verify your information off of, plus do your own due diligence. And so, whereas I think on my 210 miles east theory, this will either hit somewhere near Fort Lauderdale or possibly curve up, and definitely Miami, you need to be watching this too. Are you listening, J-Lo? And fam. Okay. See that thing? I mean, this ain't no joke. And I know preliminary conditions have a lot of dust that will choke off development, but when it pops out of the choked off dust area, it has a chance to develop over these same tropical waters. The islands, Puerto Rico, and my geography is bad, so all the islands around there, which are also a volcanic chain, they need to be on high alert, because if I'm correct, then the third storm would be Maria, Part 2. But we are winging it, taking it day by day, and watching the data as best we can. We still have about 2 weeks to prepare for the next hurricane-ish, cyclonic, tropical depression, tropical storm event. We got earthquake variables, sun variables, volcano variables. Why is everything being weird? Oh, I thought I had paused it. I did not. What do I gotta do? What the hell? Man, I just want to read the damn... Okay, fine. What? Okay. So what was happening if I'm like checking out hurricane data up to the second? Why do I need a delay on my advertising processing preferences? Oh man, this game gets weirder and weirder every single day. No, it's not a game. People die. There is failure, though. There is loss, and there is winning. So, stop taking words so sensitively, especially when I gotta deal with this shit. Anyway, so you got Pluto opposition. You got Tropical Storm Hurricane Barry, Tropical Depression now. You got levees overtopped, extensive flooding, thousands without power. We got our next systems on the way, which means the third one would be Maria. The third one would be Maria. I probably shouldn't cover my mouth as I talk. And so, things are weird. You got all the gas giants on the same side. You can go out and look in the sky. You'll see Saturn and Jupiter right next to each other, sometimes in alignments with the moon. And can I say something that is honest as I know it? I know a lot of astrologers have said, hey, you're going to get a lot of earthquakes around the eclipse bookend, the full total solar, in the beginning of July, on the 2nd. And then around the 16th, which is 2 days from now, during the, I think it's a partial lunar, you know, it's going to be very earthquakey and possibly volcano-y. And that with my gas giants on the same side theory, I've been saying that, and that will continue to be earthquakey and gas giant and volcanic-y over the next 6 years. And so, we're now in opposition with Pluto to the sun. It's like a straight line. I mean, the sky is amazing. It's like a divine celestial clock. But Isaac Newton was like, don't consider it just a celestial clock, because there are magic, invariable, divine intervention, and Mercury's retrograde. See the blue ones that are lit up? That means they're retrograde. Oh, look, Venus. She's cute, but dangerous. Like all beautiful women. And all women are beautiful. Okay. So, things are going to get wild. Hopefully, I will calm down. I can say from a first-hand perspective, this energy is pretty like, woo, 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 woo. Okay, well, I love you. And I will talk to you guys soon. God bless everyone. Stay cool. I'll try and calm down. I love you.